From the dark corners of the safe out to Rider's Range comes a Bauer 25, made in Fraser, Michigan, back in the 70s, early 80s at the latest. A little stainless steel 25. I carried one of these as a deep cover pocket gun way back early in the career. I haven't shot it in a long time. Let's see if it'll actually hit the target at 15 yards here on Rider's Range. The sights on this are tiny. Ah, that's amazing. It actually hit it. All right, this little Bauer 25 actually hit the paper at 15 yards. That kind of surprised me, because if you look at those sights, there's just not much to them. Plus, if I get a decent grip on this, you can see the slide's going to take a piece off of my hand, so I got to be a little bit careful with this gun. So we're going to try it at the plates at 12 yards, and then if that works, I'm actually going to see what it'll do at 25 yards. From the dark corners of the safe to Rider's Range, the Bauer 25. Ah, here goes nothing. Let's see if it'll hit a plate. Doesn't move them very much. How about the bigger plates? Doesn't do much with those plates. All right, let's try 25 yards. I get the magazine out of here and just see if I can hit the torso at 25. It hits it. How about the 12-inch plate? Don't get much movement out of this. But hey, it's the torso. Well, hey, it's not what I would call a gun for the plates, but in a pinch, it'll hit a torso at 25 yards. The Bauer 25. Would I carry this? Yeah, probably not. But it's from the dark corners of the safe to Rider's Range. Thanks for watching. If you like these videos, subscribe and click on the bell for notifications to get more from Rider's Range. Thanks for watching. The sights on this are tiny. Ah, that's amazing. It actually hit it.